You will relate to this. One bad thing happens and suddenly everything decides to go wrong at the same time. You spill coffee, then your phone dies, then you see a text, can we talk? Suddenly all you want to do is collapse and let the world disappear. Is it real? Do negative effects actually cascade, or is your mind playing tricks on you? You can breathe easy because science is about to be sciencing. Your brain switches modes. Psychologist James Easterbrook back in 1959 showed that emotion narrows attention. When stress hits, your brain stops scanning widely and zooms in hard. This is called cue utilization theory. Under stress, we filter out irrelevant information and locks on to what feels threatening. After one bad thing happens, your brain isn't seeing more problems, it's seeing fewer neutral things. Attention gets sharper, not calmer. Later work by Chajut et al. Showed something counterintuitive. Selective attention can actually improve under stress. You become very good at noticing what fits the mood. Not balanced, not fair, efficient. If the day is labeled bad, your brain starts collecting evidence like Rachel Zane from Suits. Memory joins the chaos. Tversky and Kahneman's availability heuristic says that we judged how common something is by how easily examples come to mind. This is also a form of the frequency illusion, also called the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, a cognitive bias in which a person notices a specific concept, word, or product more frequently after recently becoming aware of it. Now, suddenly every inconvenience feels louder, closer, more frequent. The bad things didn't multiply, your brain started covering them in glitter. Loss of control also creates meaning. The existential part. In a 2008 science paper, Whitson and Galinsky showed that lacking control increases illusory pattern perception. Now, when things feel random, humans need structure. Your brain stops asking what happened and starts asking, what does this mean? A missed bus makes you break down in public because you feel the pseudo weight of everything that has existed and your thinking capacity actually drops. Neuroscientist Amy Arnsten explains why this isn't just perception. Stress hormones temporarily impair the prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain responsible for planning, regulation, and perspective. One bad thing can cause more mistakes, more slips, more forgetfulness. Not because you're failing, because your brain is overloaded and needs some self-care. You're running out of fuel. According to Stephen Hopfall's conservation of resources theory, stress is about resource loss. Energy, attention, emotional bandwidth. On good days, you have a buffer. On bad days, you don't have that. The same inconvenience that wouldn't faze you yesterday feels unbearable today. Now, putting it all together, it's almost like a vicious circle. The more something happens, the more your brain thinks the more will happen, which makes more happen, which makes your brain think more will happen, and so on and so forth. Narrowing attention, amplifying memory, searching for patterns, running on depleted resources. Same world, but different internal state. That means the solution isn't being hard on yourself. It's developing the awareness to tell yourself that one bit of softness can reverse the direction of that vicious circle. If you find it hard to tell yourself that, drop me a DM. I got you. Be gentle with yourself.